The actual hands-on experience that I was able to gain through this internship is invaluable.
You're not just doing busy work, you're not just getting the work that your managers don't want, you're getting valuable work.
I am responsible for daily monitoring of one of our 4 hydrogen plants.
Right here we've got a little conveyor belt system that I'm modeling right now.
I'll write articles and do interviews, and then I will also create graphics.
My mentor came to me and asked me if I wanted to speak in front of 400 people. And normally I would say no because the class sizes I attend are not that big, but it was a great opportunity.
Hey, we're outside in the 30 unit doing a walk down of the hydrogen.
I was able to work with the GP corporate automation and robotics team, changing motors, hydraulic pumps, like turning wrenches, like really being able to gain that hands-on experience.
We're with the operators, we're trying to problem solve.
My supervisor, she was able to really help me self-actualize and figure out the stuff that I want to do and get the experience, the exact experience that I wanted out of this summer.
I was very shocked by the amount of ownership that my supervisor's giving me on things.
Originally, we were having a lot of spillage down below, so to fix that, I designed a deflector device. Now it's riding perfect, and so far we have had 0 spillage because of it.
It's so nice that you're allowed to come in here, you're allowed to be in the plant, you're really trusted as a whole engineer.
The coach set me up for success because my supervisor had asked me what I was passionate about, and that helped me in my role, and it helped me thrive in my role because I was doing something that I love to do every day and was very passionate about.
I have always felt valued and like I was actually a part of my team, which is really, really appealing about Koch, and it makes me want to stay here long term.
If you have the opportunity, 100% do it, and you will not regret it.